telling about junk food and healthy food conversation. Hi dear. Hello dear. What are you doing? Sitting here. What about today? I bought Maggie. Oh, Maggie, Mommy scolded you. Why? Don't bring Maggie to school. But why? It is not good for our health. Is it? Yes, Mom told it is junk food, not healthy food. But I like Maggie and pizza, gobi. We should avoid junk food and eat only healthy food. We get energy by eating fruits and vegetables. Today onwards, I will not eat junk food. I eat only healthy food and become strong. All of you eat healthy food and it is good for our health. Have a beautiful day.